Hello there. Greetings. It is motorcycle repair day. We just got carpet. We just got the oil change. We just got the chain tightened. And yeah, she's running great. Man, there's nothing better. Let me tell you. You want to know what a man loves? He loves his woman. He loves his guns. And he loves his motorcycle. And he loves motorcycle repair day. And that's when you put some love, some maintenance, some effort, some time into your motorcycle. I'm sitting here in the plaza. It's a little circle here in Lao Cai. You can see all the little the Vietnamese flags that circle around this. And it's just a big loop. So it's really fun to come out here on the bike because I'll lean all the way to the left. But yeah, let me show you what we got done. So we just put some 10W40 full synthetic oil. If you guys are a true motorcyclist, you know, only put the best in your bike. Never go cheap. So we put 1040 full synthetic. I'm letting it run because you should always let it run after it idles. But yeah, so we put the oil in right here. We cleaned out the vent. So the airflow vent was a little bit sloppy. I had bent it a long time ago when I first got the bike, when I was washing it. So these vents right here, if you look, you can see that some of them are kind of bent. So we soaked it, we washed it, and that's where the air goes in on the motorcycle. I can't do much to unbend the damage already done, but it's still getting plenty of air. Then we aired up the tires. We fixed this part right here. So these things were bouncing loose, so we fixed that. And then the most important part, and this is something that a lot of people overlook that you need to be aware of on your motorcycle, is the chain. Now, I filled up my gas tank. So before you tighten your chain, fill up your tank and then also sit on it so you can see how much weight at its maximum it's gonna be at. And now if you look, you don't want your chain to be wobbling, right? You don't want it to be like this. You want it to be just a little bit of tension, maybe like a ½ inch of wiggle room, maybe. I would not go to an inch. I stay below an inch wiggle room. And you can see it right here. Like just how much tension I have. It's nice, it's tight, and it doesn't pull off of the chain. And look at all that oil that is on it. So what does that do? Well, that keeps it, so it keeps your chain, when it slides into the engine here, it doesn't fall off the track and you lose your chain. Now I've had that happen when I'm racing before, where your chain will just go flying off and then you're stranded. So you want to keep your chain tight, and when you do that, on top of an oil change, on top of everything else, it makes your bike just run so much faster. So yeah, we did that. Did a few other minor tweaks and just make sure the gears were good. Tightened up the clutch. Make sure the clutch was good. Just, you know, little things you do for your motorcycle that will give you a little bit more performance. It's really important to do that. But yeah, let me guys show you. This is another part of Lao Cai. This is what I like to call the circle. So you can see there's a dentist right there that I like to go to. She's really cool. They got a Mom's Chicken, so that's the closest thing you'll get. There's only 2 places that serve a semi kind of like Western food, but it's not really. I mean, you actually sit down there and it takes a long time. It's not like KFC. And then you got a Honda shop. I used to go to these guys before I met my friend who lets me help work on the bike. So I could use his tools, we could work together. And then you got this really cool view of the flags. During the winter, it's so cool. Or during a storm when they're all blowing one way. And you can see the star, and then, you know, the hammer and sickle, which is, you know, the political alignment. That building over there, I don't know what it is, but yeah. So yeah, just wanted to show you. So what am I gonna do now, you're wondering? Well, what I'm gonna do now is I got some bread, some some bread, some stuff that I need to drop off in my house, and then we're gonna go race up at Zappa. We're gonna go race up in the mountains. Today's a good day for racing. What do you think? Now that the bike's running, everything's good to go, we are gonna get some. We are gonna destroy them. We're gonna kill them Yamahas. We're gonna ruin them. kill the motorcycles, not the people. YouTube, don't censor this video. I meant like kill them in a race. So we're gonna search and destroy any Yamaha riders. They don't want none, trust me. So anyways, the bike is ready. Gas is full. It's ready for business. So all right, see you later.